Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is the Honey Badger here, giving it to you straight in the RV business as usual. Today we're doing the Georgetown 7 series, the 36K7. This was a surprisingly amazing floor plan to film. Now, I filmed it factory fresh, so we didn't clean it whatsoever before doing the filming. But it has full body paint, pass-through storage, which I only show on one side. It's got a 7,000 watt gasoline generator, and this also has auto gen and an outside shower, backup camera, hitch so you can obviously tow your vehicle. You have your outside entertainment area with speakers, radio, and television. And as we go inside, the cabinetry is gorgeous. Now, this is on a Ford 7.3 liter V8. It does have an overhead bunk bed, but the cabinetry was probably what caught my eye the best, especially when I turned on the lights. You do have blackout shades, good storage around the dinette, including a pantry, and then you have storage under the dinette as well. By the way, if you do enjoy these videos, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, those theater seats are really cool recliners, and of course, no waste of space. Let's put some cabinets above, and they're electric recliners, guys. No pulling of a tug, and it has massage and heat. I thought that was so bloody cool. It looks so ugly. You got a full-size residential refrigerator, big screen TV, fireplace, and a really good-sized kitchen. Do remember that the residential refrigerator does run on an inverter when you're going down the road, so we'll stay cold on the batteries during your trips. Now, there was another surprise to this motorhome because I have never seen this in person. This is the first time I have seen it in person. And the first surprise is that not only does it have bunk beds in it, but it has a rod, so if you are a grandparents and you aren't taking the grandkids, you could turn into a full closet. And then of course, if you do have the grandkids, you have a second full bathroom. So this is the first full bathroom right next to the bunk beds. So that means you get shower, toilet, sink, etc. You also get a separate linen closet inside that bathroom, and the faucet's pretty cute as well. Not surprising is the king size bed and all of the wardrobe space in the bedroom. But before I read anything, all of a sudden I open up that cabinet and boom, stackable washer dryer. And of course, why disappoint and put a second full bathroom where the master is, and plenty of storage and a really big shower for such a small bathroom. If you think about it, the two full bathrooms are pretty small, but the showers are huge.